Let's talk airports, shall we? Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or someone who only flies once in a blue moon, airports are a universal experience. They're the gateways to adventure, reunions, and sometimes, a little bit of chaos. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate it all with a smile. Welcome everyone. Airports. Just the word can make you tense, right? The hustle, the bustle, the endless announcements echoing overhead. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the crowds, the ticking clocks, and the pressure to get everything right. Frantic running, endless queues, and the panic of a forgotten passport. We've all been there, rummaging through bags, double-checking documents, and wondering if you'll make it to your gate on time. It can feel like a race against the clock, with every second counting. But what if I told you airports don't have to be stressful? Imagine gliding through the terminal, feeling calm and collected even when things get busy. It's possible. And I'm here to show you how. Today I'll show you how to glide through like a seasoned pro. From the moment you step into the terminal to the second you find your seat on the plane, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to breeze through every step. No stress, no panic. Just smooth sailing from check-in to your gate. We'll talk about how to pack smart, how to handle security like a champ, and even how to find those hidden airport gems that make waiting a pleasure. Think of me as your travel fairy godmother, here to turn chaos into calm. I'll be sharing my favorite hacks, insider secrets, and a few stories from my own travel adventures to keep things fun and relatable. We'll cover everything from booking your ticket to finding your seat on the plane. I'll help you choose the best flights, pick the perfect seat, and make sure you're prepared for anything the airport throws your way. Ready to turn travel trauma into travel triumph? Let's get started. By the end of this, you'll be striding through airports with confidence, excitement, and maybe even a little bit of swagger. So grab your boarding pass and let's embark on this journey together. Let's start at the very beginning. Before you even think about packing your bags or dreaming of far-off destinations, it's all about planning ahead. This is the secret sauce that separates the seasoned traveler from the frazzled, last-minute scrambler. Think of it as setting the stage for a smooth, stress-free adventure. Book your flights early. Don't wait for those mythical last-minute deals that rarely materialize. The earlier you book, the more options you'll have. And the less likely you are to pay a premium for procrastination. Plus, you'll have more time to plan the rest of your trip. Early booking means better prices, your pick of the best seats, and a wider selection of flight times. Want a window seat or extra legroom? The early bird really does get the worm here. You'll thank yourself when you're not stuck in the dreaded middle seat. Next, check your travel documents. Passport, visa, tickets. Double-check expiry dates, and make sure you have all the necessary paperwork for your destination. Some countries require months of validity left on your passport, so don't get caught out. Make copies, both digital and physical, and email them to yourself. Having backups can be a lifesaver if anything goes missing. It's a simple step, but it can save you hours of hassle at the worst possible moment. Get to know your airport before you go. Most airports have detailed maps online. Take a few minutes to find your check-in desk, security checkpoints, and maybe even scope out a good coffee spot or a quiet corner to relax in. Knowing where you're going can make a huge difference, especially in a busy terminal. Knowing the layout saves time and stress. You'll breeze through the airport while others are frantically searching for signs or running to the wrong gate. Preparation is your best friend here. So, book early, check your documents, and do a bit of digital reconnaissance. These small steps add up to a much smoother experience, and you'll feel more in control from the moment you leave home. It's not rocket science, just a sprinkle of organization and a dash of common sense. A little effort now means a lot less stress later. Get this right, and you're already halfway to a blissful journey. You'll have time to relax, enjoy a coffee, and soak in the excitement instead of worrying about what you might have forgotten. You'll be so prepared, you'll have time to pity the poor souls who didn't watch this video and are now frantically searching for their boarding pass or passport. So, take a deep breath, pat yourself on the back for being ahead of the game, and get ready, because you're about to embark on a journey that's as smooth as it is memorable. On to the next chapter. Packing, where most of us go wrong. The secret? Pack light. It sounds simple, but it's surprisingly hard to resist the urge to bring everything just in case. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of clothes, convinced we'll need every last item. But the truth is, overpacking only leads to stress, heavy bags, and a lot of unnecessary hassle. Start with a checklist, then have it. Be ruthless. If you're hesitating, you probably don't need it. Choose versatile mix-and-match clothes that work for multiple occasions. Think layers, neutral colors, and items you can dress up or down. Remember, you're not moving house, You're just going on a trip, and you'll want to keep things simple and manageable. Decant liquids into travel-size bottles and follow the 100 milliliters rule. This not only saves space, but also keeps you compliant with airport security. Plus, smaller bottles mean less weight to lug around, and you'll have more room for souvenirs on the way back. Roll your clothes instead of folding. They take up less space and stay less wrinkled. Rolling also makes it easier to see everything you've packed at a glance, so you won't forget what's at the bottom of your bag. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. Stuff socks and underwear inside shoes to save space. This clever hack not only maximizes every inch of your suitcase, but also helps your shoes keep their shape during travel. Every little bit of space counts when you're packing light. Always pack a change of clothes and essentials in your carry-on, just in case your luggage takes a detour. Think about what you'd need for 24 hours if your main bag went missing. Toiletries, medication, a phone charger, and a fresh t-shirt. It's peace of mind in a small bag. Packing smart means less stress and more freedom. You'll breeze through airports, skip the baggage carousel, and never worry about lugging heavy suitcases upstairs or across cobblestones. Traveling light lets you focus on the adventure, not your luggage. Trust me, you'll never miss that extra pair of heels or those just-in-case outfits. Most of the time, you'll end up wearing your favorites on repeat anyway. Prioritize comfort and practicality, and you'll thank yourself later. Pack smart, and you'll be laughing. Traveling with less means you're ready for anything, and you'll have more energy to enjoy the journey. So next time you pack, remember, less is more, and your future self will appreciate the lighter load. Here's a simple tip. Check in online. Most airlines open online check-in 24 hours before your flight. Do it from your sofa, in your pajamas. Select your seat, get your boarding pass on your phone, and skip the long check-in lines. Mobile boarding passes are convenient and eco-friendly. Just keep your phone charged. Even if you have bags to check, online check-in means a faster bag drop. The moment you get that email, check in. Don't wait for the airport. Embrace the tech, save time, and start your journey stress-free. 10. At airports, being early is the ultimate travel hack. Give yourself more time than you think you need. Then add another half hour. Traffic, long security lines, or last-minute surprises won't faze you. Arriving early turns a frantic rush into a relaxed stroll. Enjoy a meal, browse the shops, or just people watch. Leave home early. It's the best stress buster there is. Be the calm traveler sipping a latte, not the one begging the gate agent to hold the plane. Security checks don't have to be a nightmare. Dress simply, avoid metal, wear slip-on shoes. While in line, prep, take out your laptop, liquids, and empty your pockets. Be organized with your trays, electronics, liquids, and bags all separate. Listen to staff instructions and cooperate. If you get beeped, stay calm. It's routine. A little preparation and a good attitude get you through security in no time. Master the security dance, and you've conquered a major airport hurdle. You've made it through. Now make the airport work for you. Consider buying a lounge pass for comfort, snacks, and Wi-Fi. Even economy travelers can access many lounges. Seek out quiet zones or relaxation areas for a peaceful wait. Find charging stations and keep your devices powered up. Enjoy a proper meal. Airport food has improved. Hydrate before your flight. The air on board is dry. Use this downtime as the official start of your holiday. Explore, relax, and board your flight refreshed and ready for adventure. Sometimes things go wrong. Delays, gate changes, weather. The only thing you control is your reaction. Expect the unexpected and stay flexible. See delays as extra time to read, relax, or explore. Stay calm, listen to staff, and don't take it out on them. If you're early, even a gate change is just a stroll, not a crisis. Remember, you're on your way to an adventure. A delay is just a story for later. Keep your sense of humor and be kind to others. A positive attitude can turn a stressful moment into a memorable one. 13. And there you have it, the secret to a stress-free airport experience. It's all about planning, packing smart, and keeping your cool. Use your airport time to relax and start your holiday early. When hiccups happen, just breathe and go with the flow. Share your own travel tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more travel wisdom. Safe travels, darlings.